Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's time for Number Corner. All right, Kipsters, this week we are going to start doing something new. If you see all of these things here, these are the months of the year. And so today, while we are singing the months of the year, you are going to do the dance moves, and Miss Bloom is going to point to the months of the year. Are you ready? Okay, get up on your feet. Get ready. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Cha-cha-cha. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, my turn first, then your turn. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Your turn. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Whoa, Kipsters. I want to know if you know how many days do we have to add to our days of learning at home? How many days do we need to add for our days of learning at home? So, on Thursday, the 16th, we were at home for 24 days of growing our brains at home. Now we need to add 2 more days to figure out how many days we've been learning at home. 1, 2. All right, Kipsters, let's count it together using 10s and 1s. Get ready. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Whoa. 26 days of growing your brains at home. Now, Kipsters, I want to know if you still know how to count. Say, uh-huh. Oh, yeah. I can count. By 5s to 100. All right, Kipsters, get your brains ready to count by 5s to 100. Get ready. Oh, let me make sure we can see this. Get ready. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, Kipsters, get those hands ready to clap by 10s. Get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, Kipsters. Now we are going to switch count. We are going to count by 10s and then switch to count by 1s. Get ready. 10, 20, switch, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, Kipsters, we're going to stop right there for today. All right, so Kipsters, today in Number Corner, we are going to review some shapes. We're going to play a game called Shout It Out. Say, shout it out. Shout it out. All right, but Kipsters, remember, when you shout out these shapes, remember to use your whisper voice so that you don't disturb your family, okay? All right, I'm going to show you a shape, and then you are going to shout it out. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Shout it out. This is a circle. This is a circle. Okay, I'm going to show you a shape. On the count of 3, shout it out. 1, 2, 3. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Whoa. You guys are so smart. You guys have been learning so much about your shapes in these last few weeks. All right, Kipsters, you ready? Get ready. Shout it out in 1, 2, 3. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Great job, Kipsters. All right. 1, 2, 3. Shout it out. This is a square. This is a square. Whoa, Kipsters. All right. I'm going to show you our last shape for today, and I want you to shout it out. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Shout it out. Did I trick some of you with this shape? This shape is a trapezoid. It is a trapezoid. It is a trapezoid. Yes. Okay, so Kipsters, we have reviewed our shapes. But now, today in Number Corner, before we get started, I want you to go get a piece of paper and something to write with, because we are going to practice drawing our shapes and figuring out how many sides a shape have and how many corners a shape has. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to go get something to write with and a piece of paper. Get ready, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right, Kipsters, are you back? So I have my board here, and I'm going to show you how to draw the first shape, and I want you to try to draw the shape the best way you can. And if you can't draw the shape like Miss Bloom, it's a little deal. So our first shape that we are going to draw, and let's see, maybe I can hold it up here. Oh, our first shape, I was going to hold up the shape, but I'm not going to do that. I want to draw the shape. The first shape that we are going to draw is a square. Say square. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line. And I have to make sure my shape, oh, Miss Bloom messed up a little bit. I have to make sure my shape, my square matches so that it does not look like a rectangle. Okay, this is a square. So I need to know how many sides, and underneath I'm going to write sides. You don't have to write this. You can write maybe just an S, and then I'm going to write corners. All right, Kipsters. We're going to count how many sides a shape has. These are the sides. So count with me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides does this square have? 4 sides. So I'm going to write my 4. And now I need to count my corners. My corners are here, and here, and here, and here. So let's see. How many corners do we have? Get ready, let's count. 1, I'm going to kind of make a little dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners does a square have? 4. All right, I'm going to give you a couple seconds to draw this and to write your sides and corners. All right. Say erase, erase, erase. Erase that board. Erase, erase, erase. Erase that All right, Kipsters. Our next shape. What should our next shape be? What should we draw? Ooh, I know. I'm going to draw a triangle. Say triangle. And I want to see if you can tell me how many sides a triangle have and how many corners a triangle have. So I put an S for sides and a C for corners. All right. So Kipsters, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to count how many sides. Make sure you label your work. Okay, now I'm going to do it with you. I'm going to count my sides because that's 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. All right, Kipsters. Now think about how many corners do a triangle have? How many corners do a triangle have? Okay, write it down. Okay, I'm going to count. How many corners? 1, 2, 3. So a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Whoa, that is so interesting. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's see. How many sides do a circle have? And how many how many corners do a circle have? Remember, sides are straight lines and corners are pointy at the end. Okay, so let's think. Do this circle have straight lines? No. So how many sides do it have? Say 0. Do this circle have any corners? Is there any pointy corners on this circle? No. Whoa. So a circle has 0 sides and 0 corners. Did you guys know that? Let's see. All right. Got a couple more shapes. Now I'm going to draw my rectangle. And let's see, how many sides do a rectangle have and how many corners do a rectangle have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? 4 sides. And let's see, how many corners? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. All right, Kipsters, last one. Make sure you are following along with Miss Bloom so you can share your work with your teachers. All right, the last one we're going to draw, and don't get tricked. This one is if you said trapezoid, you are correct. All right, now Kipsters, let me write my S and my C for corners. All right, let's count. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? 4. And let's count how many corners. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, Kipsters. A trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 corners. That is so good. All right, Kipsters. that is all for today, but make sure that you are sharing your work with your teachers so we can see you working at home. Keep up the good work. See you later.